Ever thought how much easier and safer driving could be with a smart dash cam watching your back? Welcome to Flicky Facts. Imagine a device that records in crystal clear, sharp, full HD, automatically backs up crucial footage to the cloud, and sends real-time alerts straight to your phone, giving you peace of mind every time you hit the road. Let's talk about the Nexar Beam 2 Mini Dash Cam and see if it's the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Nexar Beam 2 Mini Dash Cam, a wiring trim tool, wire clips, a user manual, and OBD2 connector. If you want to grab the Nexar Beam 2 Mini Dash Cam from Amazon, just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features. Captures clear footage in full 1080p resolution with a broad 160-degree field of view, ensuring license plates and adjacent lanes are recorded in sharp details. Small and unobtrusive, occupies just 0.15% of your windshield, mounts neatly behind the rearview mirror to minimize distraction and preserve your line of sight. AI-based incident detection and emergency alerts. Built-in, AI and motion sensors detect harsh braking, collisions, or sharp turns. The system automatically saves footage and can notify your emergency contacts. Includes built-in LTE for real-time remote live stream access and ability to check on your car from anywhere via the Nexar app. Requires LTE protection plan. All recorded events, especially AI-detected incidents, are automatically backed up to the cloud with GPS-enabled route tracking for reliable evidence storage. When parked, the camera stays on via the OBD plugin and LTE, monitoring for impacts or disturbances, then alerts you immediately through the app. Comes with an OBD connector for clean installation and continuous power, plus a guided setup through the Nexar Connect app for seamless integration. Specifications? Installation. In this video, we'll show you two simple methods to install your dash cam. Connecting via the OBD2 power port. Hardwiring the dash cam to the interior fuse box. Choose an installation spot that captures the full front view without blocking the driver's vision. Clean the windshield neatly for a proper adhesion. Apply the heat-blocking film to the chosen installation area on the windshield. Remove the protective film from the adhesive mount and press the dash cam firmly onto the film. Adjust the camera's vertical angle to properly capture the road ahead. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Attach the OBD2 power cable to the dash cam, then plug it into the vehicle's OBD2 port securely. Ensure the connection is tight and the dash cam powers on automatically when the vehicle starts. Hardwiring the dash cam. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add-a-fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. Set up with app. On your smartphone, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download and install the Nexar Connect app. Open the app and create or log in to your Nexar account. Power on your Nexar Beam 2 Mini. The app will detect it via Bluetooth. Follow the prompts to connect your phone to the DashCam's built-in Wi-Fi network for live view and setup. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Nexar Beam 2 Mini Dash Cam. See you in the next one.